Welcome. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply fractions and a whole number. So let's take a look how it works. Let's say we have 3 as our whole number times 2/5, which is our fraction. You are going to multiply your whole number times your numerator. In this case, our whole number is 3 and our numerator is 2. 3 times 2 is 6 and your denominator is 5. So your answer is 6/5. And how this works, like how the magic of multiplying whole numbers times fractions work, is that on your whole number, you basically have a fraction. Your invisible denominator is 1. So you're multiplying your numerators and getting 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. And then you're multiplying your denominators. 1 times 5 equals 5. So your answer is 6/5. You don't have to write this invisible one, but it is just more of a for your information so you get how it works. So let's take a look at another problem. Let's say we have 2 as our whole number and 2/3 as our fraction. Multiply your whole number and your numerator and you get 4 and your denominator is 3. And your answer is just this improper fraction of 4/3. And it works the same way. What if our fraction was first? It's the exact same thing. Let's say we had 3/12 times 2. Multiply your whole number and your your numerator and your whole number, which in this case is 6, and your denominator is 12, and that is your answer, 6/12. Let's take a look at this one here. You'll notice that you might be able to simplify it in a way. So let's say we have 8 times 1/4. 8 times 1 is 8, and 4 is your denominator. Well, your 4th grade brain should automatically see that you could just divide those numbers. 8 divided by 4, which is 2. So our new answer is 2. It's not always going to work that way. Our last answer was 6/12. Your numerator is still smaller, so this is just a regular fraction. And then our answer before that was 4/3, which is an improper fraction, but you can't divide 3 by 4, so that was just your answer there. Honestly, you can put 8/4, but you can also take it a step further and just divide and see that it's 2. But if you can't divide, then it's probably an answer like 4/3 because you can't divide 4 by 3. And if you have your your numerator is larger, like 6/12, like I just erased, then you could simplify it, but this isn't an improper fraction, and that's just your answer. So here's another example of that. Let's say you have 12 times 1/4. 12 times 1 is 12. Your denominator is 4. And you could divide. You have your bigger number on top. Your numerator is bigger, so you could just divide. 12 divided by 4, which is 3. Either answer is acceptable. If taking it a step further is too much, just stop right there, right here at your fraction. Let's just do one more together. Let's say we have, just erasing. Let's say we have 3 times 4/5. 3 times 4 is 12, and your denominator is 5. 12/5. I know right away that 5 can't go into 12, so my answer is just 12/5, and I'm done. Boys and girls, that's how you do it. You've got this. Good luck, and let me know if you have